onto the hook. They tension the rope, and then ready, they will order the loader out of the way. Trebuchet master then steps up and takes off those all-important safety. First of all, he removes the chain. Then he pulls the pin from below the trigger, making the machine live. Steps down. Puts on a helmet to protect himself from the rigging and takes the rope which is attached to the trigger. He will then order the lighting of the projectile. And fire. The projectile is lit and it starts to burn. Now he must hold his nerve. Release it too early, goes out, too late, it's trebuchet. So he holds. And he holds. He launch. Fantastic! That, ladies and gentlemen, is not achieved without a lot of hard work. Can we